great God. Nothing compares to your love, to your love. No matter where I've been, you keep coming back for me. Yeah. My God, your love knows no boundaries. Beautiful Father, maker of the universe. Nobody compares to you. Nobody can do me like you do. Beautiful Father, wonderful Creator. Nobody compares to you. Oh God, you did make my heart to sing, make my heart to go. Sweet, sweet Father, you did sweet me. You did give me so much joy, joy incomparable. Understanding, Lord. Yeah, yes, you are a great God.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okwe, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. What's up, Alpha? Yes, I'm wearing my YouTube cap because my hair is in a state of isma plisma, but you guys already know this already because you know how we do. Today I have a hair review for you guys. The hair is from Yiroo hair, and it's their Brazilian coily hair in 18, 20, 22 and 24, and then an 18-inch frontal. The hair came black, but then I bleached it. Actually I didn't, I gave it to someone to bleach it and dye it for me. So this is what it looks like now. I've always wanted this Beyonce brownish honey blondie hair. I know that if I should try and do it myself, I'm probably going to mess it up, so I gave it to a professional to do that for me. So it actually came a bit pre-plucked, but I did some. If it still needs more, I would pluck it more on my head because it's so lush, so pretty. So that I wanted like these streaks of blonde. You can see. Oh my god, yes. Let's move on to the laying of the hair. This is it, straight off, no foundation, nothing. I'm going to mark it. I want to mark where I'm going to cut on the lace, and I'm using a brown lip liner. At the time I tried the white pencil one time and I didn't really like it because it took a while to clean off. So I'm just going to try and use this pencil. I'm literally following the hairline so that when I cut it, I'll know where to cut. It's easier that way. And this pre-plucked hairline is like the best thing since sliced bread. So I've marked it now. I'm going to cut it and then put my foundation on it, and then we shall lay it. To cut it, I use scissors and eyebrow shaver, cutter, whatever. Do this and then this gently. So now we're gonna stick it. I put my foundation, and this is all I use to stick my hair, guys. I don't have time for any other long thing. I put like 2-3 coats. It's always better to stick your hair before your foundation because of all this running mess. I stick my hair to my forehead because I have enough real estate, forehead real estate. So I drag and place. Let's see. Drag and place. Drag and place. If you're not fast, it's going to dry totally without you placing it. So let me just hold. I thought I could do everything in one go, but nah. You see the instant facelift. That's what lace front does for you. Suddenly my brows have gone like this. Okay. Just have to stick some stubborn parts that always refuses to stick. Like this auntie here. Auntie, you need to stick. Before I tie my edges, I clean off a bit of the jaga jaga gel. If you don't do this, your foundation is going to be messy. Actually, for my makeup, I'm not going to explain too much. It's going to be pretty fast forwarded because this is not a makeup review. My foundation, I'm mixing both foundations together. That's Ezekiel and L'Oreal. I've already done my moisturizer, so I'm jumping straight. No primer because I'm not going anywhere. No color corrector either because I'm not going anywhere. Ooh, check out that melanin, girl. Being dark skinned is like one of God's favors to us, guys. I'll not lie to you, when I was in the UK I was so broadly light skinned, and I have never used any bleaching substance on my skin. I'm going to insert a picture. Like, moving to the abroad is bleaching cream on its own. Like, I was proper NW45, if you're familiar with MAC, was dark for me. The moment I moved back to Nigeria, NW45 became highlighting shade. That was how dark I became. But funny enough, I won't have it any other way, because again, it's popping either way. Dark skin, light skin, you know, whichever skinned, I'm popping regardless. So I'll be using my favorite powder palette to contour, and I'll also be using my Fenty Beauty in Mocha Mami. I decided to use it everywhere as eyeshadow. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using this new, like a body glue, glitter glue from Glitter Cosmetics. I definitely want glitter for no reason, because why not? Using their glitter in the shade Adesua. Ooh, yo, it's lit. The final look, yeah. So guys, this is the final look. Do you guys like it? I don't know how I feel about this lip choice. I just saw the lip gloss sitting and I'm like, you know what, I wouldn't usually do a vampy glossy lip, but here we are. Never say never. Let me sharply give you guys details on this hair. Chap. This is Yiroo hair. They have a store on AliExpress and they also have their website. I'm going to leave all the links to the hair in the description box, guys. Every link is in the description box. This is their Brazilian coily hair in 18, 20, 22. Yeah, it's 3 bundles and an 18-inch frontal. The only con with this hair, or maybe let me say not the hair, the company, was that they didn't deliver straight to Nigeria, so I had to send it to my sister in Yankee, and then she sent it to Nigeria for me. So maybe it's cause it's free. Maybe if you're buying from AliExpress, obviously AliExpress ships to Nigeria, so I would advise you go through the AliExpress link in the description box if you want to buy, so they would just ship to Nigeria for you. I dealt with the company directly, so they didn't have shipping to Nigeria connects. I don't know what that is about, but yeah, that was that. So dealing with the hair, I didn't have any issue because I was the one that made it into a wig myself. The only thing was that the lady dyed it for me because I really wanted this two-toned color, and I know that I've not got it to that level yet. I'm really skeptical about dyeing blonde hair because I know that it can go left, let's just put it that way. So I just gave it to a professional to deal with it for me. She did a good job actually, so I'm glad about that. All the info about this hair is going to be in the description box, so please don't forget to check it out. Every single detail, the length and everything. I'm definitely going to give you guys an update review, so if there's anything wrong with it, I'm going to say it in the updated review. But for now, I do not have any problem. It doesn't shed stupidly. The only time I had shedding was when I was obviously cutting the frontal, like customizing the frontal, which already came pre-plucked anyway, so I didn't really do much. And when I was cutting the weft, when I was making my wig, because I don't like turning it over when I'm sewing, so that was the only time it shed. If you guys want any other information about this hair, it's going to be in the description box, and I'm going to give you an update. And seeing as this hair was bleached and colored, like, it should be having Isma Plisma. The only thing that is on this hair right now is water and my body oil. Like, I didn't even use hair oil, I used body oil on it. So literally just water and oil, and it's like tiny bits of oil. So yeah, no tangling, nothing. Pretty cool, and I love it. Like, I've been wanting this color since forever, guys. I am so satisfied. That is that on this Yiroo hair. If you guys need any other link, discount codes, AliExpress link, website link, any other link in the description box, please check it. I'm always shouting, check it out. Let's move to the slow-mo, because you know that's where I show you guys how pink this hair can look. So yeah, before I go, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up. Thank you guys for hanging with me. Kisses. Peace out.
As I gaze at the wonders of your hands, Lord, I give you praise. How you made man from the ground on which we stand, Lord, I give you praise. Made your beauty manifest in your creation, Lord, I give you praise, give you praise. Hey, Father, Father of all creation, Lord, I give you praise. Yeah. Beautiful Father, wonderful Creator, nobody compares to you, nobody can do me like you do. Beautiful Father, maker of the universe, nobody compares to you. Oh God, you they make my heart to sing, make my heart they go. Sweet Father, oh, you days with me, they give me so much joy, joy incomparable, it pass understanding. Oh, yeah, you are a great God. Oh, you are a great God. Oh yeah. Great God. Nothing compares to your love. No matter where I've been, you keep coming back for me. Yeah. My God, your love knows no boundaries. Beautiful Father, maker of the universe, nobody compares to you, nobody can do me like you do. Beautiful Father, wonderful Creator, nobody compares to you. Oh God, you did make my heart to sing, make my heart to go. Sweet Father, you did sweet me, they give me so much joy incomparable, past understanding. Oh, yes, you are a great God. Oh, you are a great God. You are great, nah. You are great, nah.